Good morning. We are in the bus going on a Yaman tour, and we're just waiting for the rest of the family to come in. Everyone's here.
Happy birthday, dear Gigi. Happy birthday to you. Give it up for Gigi. Give it up.
We are at the Prospect Adventure Park, and it's basically in a rainforest. And so I'm planning on going camel riding. What are you planning on doing?
I'm gonna do the Segway, culinary, and the camel.
Nice.
There you go.
I got it.
All spicy. This one is the lime smell and you're gonna get from here inside. 7 bucks earring your clips. So inside we have the water and the meat.
Show us the water.
That's how you get the milk. Yeah, and the more mature, the more harder it gets. So you grate it to get the milk.
And you guys heard about the...
You see what happened? Yeah, it turned white. Yeah, one sip too much is an overdose.
Thank you.
Respect. You don't know prospect bushes.
Right? Come on, we're right at the factory. Take big ones, big ones.
We are waiting to do another activity, and I think I'm doing the culinary next, which we get to cook our own Jamaican food. And yesterday when I fell, it was actually kind of funny, but it kind of hurt. I'm riding a horse!
It's very brown. No one wants my food.
So then we kept it. Oh wow, okay. I didn't want to get lizards. We got one, I had to get another one. Very cool. One boy, one girl.
Oh! Oh my god. Hello.
Nobody wants my food.
Oh!
No one wants my food. Listen to me.
Oh, there's no more food.
Come on.
Oh, I have no food.
I have food.
I feel them.
Ew.
Even if I don't have food.
I'm not so popular anymore.
I'm gonna name you.
Oh, geez. Hi, Paul.
Your waffles and your pancakes.
And Paul.
Oh, do not fight each other.
Huh? Different kinds, still.
Oh wait, am I supposed to go to the train?
Craft on my hand. Oh my god.
Alright, pass your hand in here when you're through.
Oh, that's a big poop. That's a huge poop. Ew, Maya. Ew. The Christmas tree is up. Yay! Dancing was so fun. I was sweating a lot, but thank goodness we have air conditioning in the building. Yeah. I'm waiting. Where's the family? The workers, which are the entertainment workers, they're the ones who are dancing with us, and they're like, "You dance like a Jamaican."
Oh yeah, he was like that to me.
Yeah, it's funny. They're cool. They're really cool.
Then he was like, oh yeah, something like you're really good.
Yeah. Said I'm a good dancer. So towards the end of my horseback riding tour, it was pouring rain, like I was drenched. And so the tour guide and I, we went into the gift shop and we like ran in there. And I was the only person there, and like the workers were there, but I was the only like participant there. So I was just by the bar and I was talking to the girl who worked at the bar, and then another worker came who was another tour guide, and we're talking, and they're pretty cool. And I learned, actually no, that's not appropriate. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying all my Jamaica tours, my Jamaica vlogs, and we are leaving in 2 days. Sad. So you'll get a lot of videos, and I'm not done editing, and I didn't even start. So you're gonna get this probably in Christmas time. And if it's before Christmas time, you're very lucky. Thanks for watching.